Good morning. So today we are going to do a guided class practice 116A together. And then you're going to do B side on your own. And I would go ahead after we do the front side to do the B side the same day. That way that it's still fresh in your mind. But you don't have to. You can do the B side tomorrow if you need to. All right. So the first things first is we need to draw an 8 centimeter line segment. Okay, so the first things first, this isn't the inches are larger. This side is my centimeters, and you should have your math folder that has that on there. Okay, you have a centimeter side and then you have a inch side. So the first things first is I'm going to put my 0 at the dot. Okay, and I'm going to go all the way to the 8 for 8 centimeters. Okay, I'm going to try to do this while holding my phone. There we go. Okay, so there is my 8 centimeter line segment. So again, with the 0, it goes all the way to the 8. Okay, then I'm going to put my name on it. Okay, the next thing next is my date line. It wants me to measure it with centimeters. So I'm going to put my centimeter here. I'm going to put the 0 at the first dot. Okay, and it goes all the way to what number? What centimeter mark? That's right, 4. So that is 4 centimeters long. So I'm going to put a 4 here. Okay. All right. Number 1, it says, Kyle tallied the number of children who wore green. So over here, he took some tally marks on who wore green. So remember, each of these is a group of 5 because it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. It crossed out at 5 to make a group of 5. So we can skip count by 5s here. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 18 children wore green. Maybe it was St. Patrick's Day or something. They all wanted to wear green. All right, so it says twice as many children wore green as yellow. So I want to know how many children wore yellow. So 2 times as many wore green. So I need to know what half of 18 is to find out how many wore yellow. Okay, so I want to take 18 and find out half. So when we've been finding half so far, we've been just using like a little chart. Okay, and I'm going to go just make one. Okay, so I'm going to make one up here. Okay, now we're going to take the number 18 and we're going to half it. So we got 2 spots and I'm going to split it apart. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. So to make sure it divided out evenly, I'm going to check to make sure each side has the same amount. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So each one has 9 pieces. So half of 18 is what? That's right, 9, because 9 plus 9 is 18. When you get familiar with adding your doubles, you will be able to know what half of 18 is without making one of those charts. Okay, but for now, you can make one of those charts because that's what we've been using. Okay, number 2. Number 2 says to show 4:53 on the clock. So here's my clock. Remember on your clock, these are your hours. Okay, and then the little notches are my minutes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes. So remember, this is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. That's 30 minutes. Okay, 35. 40, 45, 50, 55, and then we're back at o'clock. Okay, so let's do that a little faster to count our minutes. We got 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. It looks like I put double 50, whatever. 55, and then we're back at o'clock. So we need to put the hour hand first, which is the small hand. Okay, so I need my small hand to point at what? If it's 4:53, what's my hour? That's right, 4. So I'm going to make my hour hand point at the 4. Now it's not going to be exactly on the 4 because it's going to be a little bit past it, but it hasn't made it to the 5 yet. So my hour hand, my small one's pointing towards the 4, and my minute hand needs to point to 53. So here's my hour 50. Okay. It hasn't quite made it to 55 yet, so I'm going to count 50, 51, 52, 53. So my minute hand needs to point right there. Okay, now it says number 3, draw 3 baskets. I'm going to draw a circle as if I'm looking downwards at the basket, because sometimes the opening, if you're looking downwards, looks like a circle. Okay, so I've got 3 baskets, and I want to put 4 oranges in each of those baskets. I'm going to put 4 in each. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So all 3 baskets have 4 oranges. Now I've got to figure out how many is that all together to find out how many oranges she had. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 oranges. And I always like to do double check myself. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It's always good to double check yourself because we always mess up sometimes. There's always going to be that one time that we make a little error. Okay, number 4. It says, draw a small square to show the right angle in the triangle. So here's my triangle, and I got to find the right angle. And remember, a right angle is like a perfect L. Okay, so we'll look at this one. Is this a perfect L? No, it's way smaller. What about this one? No, it's closer. What about this one? Yeah, it looks like it. Let's double check. Let's put that corner in there. Yep, sure is. So I'm going to put a little square here because that is a perfect right angle, perfect L there. Okay, now, number 5. I have 2 quarters. A quarter is worth how much? 25 cents. So I have 2 quarters, that's 2 25s. All right, let's pause right here and let's practice counting quarters, okay? To count quarters, we say 25, 50, 75, $1. All right, let's do that again. 25, 50, 75, $1. One more time. 25, 50, 75, $1. All right, we're good? All right, so I got my quarters. Let's get a dime. A dime is worth how much? That's right, 10. And then I've got 3 nickels. The nickel's worth how much? That's right, 5. So we're going to put 5 there. And then I have 4 pennies. 1, 2, 3, 4. And a penny is worth 1. I like to put the values in there so it kind of helps my brain switch from skip counting from 25 to 10 to 5 to 1. And you can even put dividers there if you need to. Okay. All right, let's start counting. Remember our quarters, 25, 50, 75, $1. All right, let's count. 25, 50. Put 50 in your head, go up 10 more. 50, 60. Go up 5 more, 65, 70, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79. All right, let's do it a little faster now. 25, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79. So 79 cents, or you can write it $0.79. Okay. All right, number 6. We haven't done a whole lot of these yet, and these are kind of tricky. People find them kind of tricky. Okay, so don't get discouraged. All right, so it says use the correct symbol. Is it plussing, minusing, or multiplying? Okay, so we're adding, subtracting, or multiplying here. So I would just simply try each one to see which one works. So does 4 plus 2 equal 8? So put 4 in your head and let's go up 2 more. 4, 5, 6. So does it equal 6? No. Does it equal 8? No, it equals 6. That doesn't say 6, so it can't be plus. Let's look at minus. 4 minus 2. Put 2 in your head and let's go up to 4. 2, 3, 4. No. 4 minus 2 is 2. So that's not it. Okay? Now let's try multiplying. 4 times 2. Anything times 2, you're just doubling that number. So when you know your doubles, it'll be able to help you out. So that's just 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4 is, that's right, 8. Or you can skip count by 2s. 4 times. 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, so it does equal 8. So we are multiplying here. So I'm going to put my times sign. All right, number 2. Let's see. Add 2 plus, so our first one symbol is add, so 2 plus 5. So 2 in your head, and let's go at 5. So 2, so 2's in my head, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Does 2 plus 5 equal 7? It sure does. Found it on the first try, didn't I? I can't take away 5 from 2, so it couldn't have been minus. And 2 times 5, let's see what that would have been if it had been times. So here's 5, let's skip count by 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. It would have been 10, so that wouldn't have worked. Okay, so this should be multiply, should be plus. All right. Now, all right, we have, let my phone focus here. Doesn't want to focus. There we go. All right, so you can go ahead and draw your line to separate it. Okay, remember only one number goes here. 6 minus 2. Remember the rule. If it's smaller on top, I have to go next door. So is 6 smaller than 2? No. So I can do that. If I have 6, I can take away 2. So let's put 6 in our head. Let's put 2 in our head and let's count up to 6. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 6 minus 2 is 4. Okay, remember if the number on top is smaller, I have to borrow, but it's not, so I don't have to. All right, now 8 minus 7. So put 7 in your head and let's go up to 8. So 7's in my head, 8. So just 1. So it's 14. Okay, let's go to the next one. Let's draw our divider here. All right, the rule, if it's smaller on top, I have to go next door. Is 1 smaller than 7? Yeah, it is. So I am going to have to go next door because I can't take 7 from 1. So I'm going to have to go next door, and I'm going to have to take 110 from this 4. If I take 1 from 4, the 4 becomes what? 3. And that means I bring a 10 over to this 1, and it becomes, it's kind of sloppy. I'm just going to cross it out. If I bring 10 plus 1 is 11. So that becomes 11. 11 minus 7. We can do that. So put 7 in your head. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So it equals 4. Okay. Now 3 minus 1. So put 1 in my head. Go up to 3. 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2. So the answer is 2. So 24. Okay. Now we're adding. Okay. 1 plus 9. So put 9, go up one more. 9, 10. So 10. I can't put 2 numbers here, so I'm going to have to put 0 ones and carry my 1 for that 10. And it goes right next door. I don't bring it over there. Bring it right next door. All right, so let's add. 1, got to count all 3 numbers. 1 plus 2 is 2, 3. So that's 3. 3 plus 8. So 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11, but I can't put 11 here, just one number. So put down your 1. and carry your other 1. Okay, now let's add these. 6, 7, 8. So it would be 8. Sometimes when you're adding numbers like this, it's easier to start with the biggest number and then add the smaller numbers. So like 8, 9, 10, 11, 6, 7, 8. Okay, it doesn't really matter what order you add them in because it's going to equal the same number. So whether you start at the top and go down or you look at the bottom and go up or the middle and go around, it's going to equal the same number when you're adding. Okay, subtracting does matter, but adding does not. Okay, but just don't forget to add all 3 numbers. All right, my next one. Oops. Okay, it's a little skinnier. I'm going to go ahead and put down my decimal. All right, 9 plus 3. So put 9 in my head and go up 3 more. 9, 10, 11, 12. Put down my 2 as I can't put 2 numbers there. Carry the 1 right next door. 7, 8. So this is 8. If you need to cross that out and put 8, you can. So 8 plus 4 more. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Again equals 12. So put down 2 and carry your 1. Okay. 3, 4. So this is 4. So again, if you need to cross that out and put 4, that's fine. 4. And then 2 more is 4, 5, 6. Okay. And then I'm going to bring down my $sign. Don't forget that decimal on your $sign. Okay. All right. So good luck. If you need me to walk you through any of those, just call me and let me know. Okay. All right. Love you. Bye.